Today, I'm pleased to share my greetings on this occasion of welcoming and orienting program to all the students who have succeeded to get enrolled in Kopo Secondary School for 2081 as a member of Kopo Circle, with Honorable Chief Guest and the Chairperson of Nepal Workers and Peasants Party, respected Mr. Narayanman Bizuk Cheroit, Chairman of this program and the Chairperson of Kopo Circle and the Mayor of Bhaktapur Municipality, Mr. Sunil Prajapati, Member of Bagmati Province Parliament, Mr. Surendra Raj Gosai, Chief Administrative Officer of Bhaktapur Municipality, Mr. Basanta Bhattarai, Guest of the program, Professor Siddhibir Karmacharya, all the distinguished personalities and the principals of Kopo Circle on the dais, all the guests from different institutions and organizations, professors, faculties, and administrative staffs, and all the newcomers, students, namaskar, and greetings to you all. 25 years of untiring effort made by the chairman of Nepal Workers and Peasants Party and the respected leader along with entire team for establishing Kopo Higher Secondary School on the 16th of Shravan 2056. After more than 2 decades of continuous accomplishment made by the Kopo Secondary School with the guidance of Nepal Workers and Peasants Party and Bhaktapur Municipality. And today, this school has become a pride of our every citizens of Bhaktapur as a strong foundation for the secured future and serving its society to move forward, to lead our society as well as our country. For this, we look forward to join our hands together to make our place a better place to live. Dear students, I, on behalf of Bhaktapur Municipality and Kopo Circle, I'm overwhelmed to congratulate and welcome all our newcomer students for succeeding to be member of Kopo Circle for the strong basis of your envisaged bright future ahead. With firm and strong basis from this circle, you will be competent to dream your ambition and give form and shape to your destination. I, as a deputy mayor and the chairperson of Kopo Circle, would assure you all that once you have enrolled in this circle, you are almost there, very close to your dream, your destination, as Kopo Circle was established with the vision of making cultural city Bhaktapur the city of art, architecture, and culture, and an arena of science and technology, with the objective of providing quality education to all, even for economically common strata of the society, make our city a balanced city as well as a city of excellence. As education is the basic tool and a key to widen the horizon of its people with intellectuality, Bhaktapur Municipality has been focusing on upgrading the educational level within the city. Therefore, the municipality opted to establish 7 colleges for the development of our city and our country, with additional programs as per need for the city and the country. Dear students, I take this opportunity to inform you all that we take these institutions as our great strength to fulfill the mission of our veteran leader of Nepal Workers and Peasants Party and the chief guest of this program, to intellectualize our society and make Bhaktapur an arena of science and technology and a city of excellence. And finally wished to establish our own long-awaited Kopo University since 10 years. And with deep sorrow, we have not succeeded due to the unstable government in our country. And even recently, for the second time, the recent new government team rejected and barricaded to fulfill the wish of our citizen to get graduate from People's University, Kopa University. But we all have to come up with firm resolution that we will succeed one day. So I urge you all to study hard, and we will make our government to oblige or compel for our People's University. And my humble request to all the students, that we ought to move ahead without getting frustrated, as we are being taught by our senior leaders from Nepal Workers and Peasants Party. You all should be energetic, sensible, and at the same time sincere youths of our city. And from Bhaktapur Kopa product. And we together will create Bhaktapur city, an education center through Kopa Circle, nationally as well as internationally recognized. Dear students, Walt Disney once said, if you can dream it, you can do it. So good luck to you all as you have joined Kopa Secondary School to achieve the knowledge in the field you have chosen. Now you should show your keen interest, and it is just you who should reach the goal by working very hard for the glorious future shining around you, and should start now to reach the destination on time and interact with your teachers around you to explore your ideas and knowledge. And mind it, dreams will come true if you give your effort 100%. For this, you all have to have close contact with your teachers, and don't forget that dreams do not come true until you do it. Apart from education, in this premises, we are sharing wisdom along with knowledge to make ourselves a human as well as to be social. So let us learn to be social, intellectual with humanity. Once again, I request you all to contribute remarkably to change our society positively and serve the country you are in. And best wishes to all. Thank you.
Thank you.